power of connected passed pawns in chess. And let's look at an example. These are connected passed pawns. And these are passed pawns because no other pawns from the white camp can stop these pawns from promoting to a queen. But we're going to see if this lonely bishop on c2 can at least stop one of these pawns. Let's look at it right quick. The best move for black to do is b3, attacking the bishop. If you sacrifice the bishop now, it will just easily be recaptured by the c4 pawn. If the bishop moves back to d1, then you can push down this pawn to c3, checking the king. The king got to go to c1 to stop the pawns, and you can easily do c2, attacking the bishop. If the bishop takes on c2, b pawn takes on c2, king takes on c2, this king can go around here to the king side and munch up the h4 and f4 pawn. And don't try to run away with the bishop, because if you do that, then king c3 is a really sad move after realizing that b2 is checkmating the king on c1. And that's the power of the connected passed pawns.